For breakfast I will be eating lentil sprouts. Spiders are so quick. Every morning this net is again here in my way and I have to destroy it. Hey, good morning, Toby. Look, here's the kitten. Hey, chickens. What are you doing? It looks like Marianne put this kitten in here and gave him food and water. He's kinda wild. I'm probably afraid. A quick meal of rice, veggie stew, tomato sauce. Hey Toby, let's go!
Released from captivity.
For lunch, pasta with many different veggies and tomato sauce. This is lavender plant and I am cutting some flowers for the market and all my hand just smells really nicely. We'll go down to the city. I met that guy, so I will get some papayas after a few minutes. Some beautiful avocados growing. Got these 4 really huge papayas. Spent some time on the internet, feel really good, and we'll go to the shop. This looks like a good place to go. It's like 8 kilometers up the hill, so probably I will try to do it. That guy just landed like totally in some random place. These are physalis. Inside they look like this. Small yellow balls just shining like the sun. I'll try one. This is really nice. But I'm not eating anymore. I got these papayas from that neighbor and they are really big. They smell nice, look perfect. So good. The guy that I bought papayas from told me to make a smoothie with papayas and orange juice. Papaya inside here, orange. Let's juice it and make a smoothie. This is the ready stuff. Tastes awesome. For dinner I'm having pasta with veggies and tomato sauce. Once again, beautiful sunset.